Hello, tea enthusiasts and health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the wonders of natural well-being and healthy living. Today, we're exploring a beverage that's not just a cup of tea. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and health benefits. Yes, we're talking about the incredible matcha tea, a Japanese super tea equivalent to drinking 10 cups of conventional green tea. So grab your favorite mug and let's uncover the secrets of matcha together. Everyone recognizes the numerous benefits of green tea, backed by science for its effects against liver diseases, cancer prevention, weight loss, and enhanced brain function. But not all teas are created equal. Enter matcha tea, a Japanese marvel with even more antioxidant properties than its green tea counterpart. Nutritionist Rachel Belair, a spokesperson for the American Cancer Society, highlights that matcha contains antioxidants equivalent to 10 cups of regular green tea. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, offering a nutritious punch unlike any other. What is matcha tea? Matcha, derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, has seen a surge in popularity for its unparalleled health benefits. Unique in its cultivation, matcha plants are shaded for much of their growth, enhancing their nutrient and antioxidant profile. This powdered tea not only plays a crucial role in Japanese tea ceremonies, but has a rich history dating back to China's Song dynasty. Let's see. The science-backed benefits. Matcha's health benefits are extensive. Its antioxidants, including the potent epigallocatechin gallate, are up to 137 times greater than in traditional green tea, fighting free radicals and preventing cell damage. Recent studies confirm matcha's effectiveness in protecting heart health, improving cognitive function, aiding weight loss by boosting metabolism, and even combating cancer. Its ability to lower cholesterol, reduce blood sugar levels, and support weight loss efforts are particularly noteworthy. Beyond physical health, matcha enhances mental clarity while promoting relaxation, a balance many of us seek in our daily lives. Now let's see the latest research insights. Diving into the latest research, scientists continue to uncover matcha's health-promoting properties. Studies published in Current Research in Food Science 2023 have shown that matcha can significantly impact improving cardiovascular health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases thanks to its high levels of catechins and theanine. Furthermore, its role in enhancing cognitive function and mood has been linked to its unique amino acid profile, providing a sustained energy boost without the jitters associated with coffee. Next, how to prepare matcha tea. Preparing matcha tea is an art in itself. Start with weakly mineralized water, heated to 70 to 85 degrees Celsius. Whisk a gram of matcha powder until fully dissolved and foamy. For the purists, skip the sugar to savor its naturally mild and slightly sweet taste, although those who want to sweeten the preparation can choose to add 1 or 2 stevia leaves when preparing the tea. Next, consumption tips. While matcha is a daily delight, moderation is key due to its caffeine content. Starting with 2 to 3 cups a day is recommended, but it's best not to exceed 5 grams per day to avoid any caffeine-related side effects. And there you have it, the exquisite world of matcha tea, a beverage that transcends the ordinary cup of tea with its rich history, unique preparation, and immense health benefits. Whether you're looking to boost your antioxidant intake, improve your health, or simply enjoy a moment of serene indulgence, matcha is a perfect choice. If you loved learning about matcha, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos on healthy living. Until next time, stay healthy and inspired.